Okay, hello. Okay, welcome. Today is June 27th, and welcome to another. I think there is something wrong with the mic. Okay, yeah, now things seems fine. Uh, Let me check. Okay. Okay, so here on the gold chart, we have this beautiful level down here on 30 minutes, and we have a clean range of about 40 pips. So yeah, that's a good tradable range. Now if we look, let's see the top area here, the buy makes sense. So there is this wick which is kind of you know you know can cause a problem. So let's say if it closes above, and if we buy above this wick, we have like around 17-18 pips. But if we take that top area here, that would be like 39 pips. So if we check the 4 hour, so break above this 4 hour would be 28 pips, and the buy would be a little bit difficult, so I'm more like looking for a sell on gold. And yeah, but we'll have to see how the price closes in the next 22 minutes. Okay, let's look at pound yen. Pound yen is just doing nothing. It is creating higher highs and higher lows, and for me the pound yen has already moved. So yeah, so there is no likely trade on pound yen, because we do have these, I would say, minor, because the bearish momentum was very low in these bearish candles. So there is no clear range here, or you can say the clear area where I would say that now yes, here we can take a trade. uh, let's see what the pound yen does. The only thing that looks good to me is close below this 182 level, and if we break though, we have 32 pips range. So yeah, but we do have a large gap here. I mean, not the gap, but this range here, the field that is 46 pips. So yeah, that's not really a favorable trading pair at the moment for me. And same goes for the pound dollar. Last 30-minute candle already moved like 5-6 pips, not really enough. The top range we have like 3 to 8 pips. Yeah, pound dollar is not looking good either. So there is nothing on pound dollar. If we look here, this is like 7 pips again, not a good range. This is a good range, like 13 pips. So if we look at the 1 hour and 4 hour, yeah, there is no clear trade here on the dollar, actually pound dollar. So dollar yen looks interesting, because we see that the price has been consolidating or ranging between these two lines here. So the top one, this one, is the 4 hour level, this one, and the bottom one, this one, is the 30-minute or the 1 hour level. So that is a 21 pips range. So a close above it, we can expect the price to maybe test the recent high that it made on 23rd of June. So close above, we do have this week, which is 8 pips, but this range is like 25 pips. So yeah, there is a possibility, but we'll have to see how the price uh, prints, or you can see how the candles print. Sell would be a good, we do have a range of like 22, or maybe if we look at this, we have like 27 pips range. So yeah, Sell can be good. So the only favorable thing looking now is just gold, but the candle is already moving a lot. So let's see what happens. We have 4 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close. Okay, now the question is, if this 15-minute candle closes below this level, can we take a trade? Let's look at the 1 hour. So this 1 hour pushed really hard into breaking this level and into that area. Then we have a long rejection here of this level here, and closing weekly bearish. Next one is also bearish. So there seems to be a less bullish momentum here in these candles on 1 hour. If we take a look at the 30 minutes, basically the same story. This candle tried to push above it, but it couldn't, and next 1 2 3 4 5 candles were just going nowhere. So yeah, we'll have to see how this candle, at least the 15-minute candle, closes. Just have to wait for 3 minutes now. I really hate the magic keys sound, by the way. I think there is no way to change the sound. I tried, but yeah, it doesn't work. I wish there was a way to change this sound. Okay, so 15-minute candle is closing below. This is the volume time, and we can take a risk. We can take a trade, although it wouldn't be ideal. But anyway, stop loss. Let's say stop loss is 28 pips. That's too high. 15-minute closed with a lower wick. So if this candle creates a top wick, we can have a smaller stop loss. But it needs to create a reasonable top wick. Dollar yen is moving up, pound is going down. Yeah, this candle should create a top wick, reasonable, I mean not a small one, a reasonable, like maybe 50% of this current last 15-minute candle, and then maybe move down. Let's look at 5 minutes. So 5 minutes candle were 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I don't know. This looks a good trade, but this candle does not have a good top wick. That is why I'm currently refraining from entering the trade, hesitating to enter the trade here. Because 30-minute candle is still open. Let's see. Five minutes do not have a bullish candle. Let's look at 1 minute and see the price action. So if it breaks its own low, can we take a trade? So the stop loss can be here like around 15 pips or so, but it needs to be like a bearish engulfing candle. That is based on the 1 minute. By the way, we do have like a 10 minutes for the 4-hour candle to close. So if we get kind of like a bearish engulfing candle, we can enter a trade. So I am in a trade now. Stop loss will be at here 12 pips, and TP difficult TP. Let's just put it at this level and then see how the price reacts. So let's just manage it on 1 minute, although it's not a good thing to go on 1 minute and manage trades, because yeah, anything can happen. Okay, let's just move on to 15 minutes and see. By the way, this is a risky trade, because on 5 minutes we do have lots of like bearish candle continuously. We didn't have a bullish retest type of candle. Anyway, yeah, it is just rejecting. So on 1 minute we have seen one thing. This is the level that it is trying to break above, but it has not yet succeeded. And this is the another level, so we have stop loss above second level here. Let's see how the price reacts, and then we'll manage our trade accordingly. Because 30-minute candle has already moved a lot. So it is rejecting from the last 30-minute candle area here. Yeah, we have created a support on 5 minutes, which is yeah, not good. We still have 5 minutes for the 4-hour candle to close, and let's see how it closes. Yeah, 30-minute candle has already moved a lot. That is why this 15-minute candle is facing difficulty to move even further down. And on 5 minutes we do have created kind of like a dodgy candle here. On our 1 hour we do have this level here with this bullish candle, broke above, and maybe it is testing that, so we will see how price moves now. No doubt it is facing difficulty to move down. So 30-minute candle is about to close in 1 minute and 13 seconds, and if it closes without bottom wick, I'm going to close 90%, but if it closes with the wick, yeah, there is a possibility that it might move further down. You just have to look how it closes. So I'm going to just close half my position just to take the risk off the table. And bring the stop loss above this 15-minute candle. So it has closed without a bottom wick, so maybe we just need to close another half, maybe 90%. Yeah, close 90% and bring the stop loss to break even, because the last 30-minute candle closed without a bottom wick. So yeah, let's see how the price goes now. Either we hit the stop loss or maybe hit the TP. That's it. We are still like 12-11 pips down. That's fine. let's say the TP is now at like 29 pips. That's too high. I think we should move it a little bit higher, like this here. So maybe, yeah, 27 pips. So now this is a risk-free trade, and yeah, let's look at the 5 minutes. So we did get a bearish engulfing candle here, but yeah, again it closed without a bottom wick. So yeah, that was the reason I closed 90% of my position. And if you look at the 30 minutes, this candle moved a lot, man, like 40 pips. That's a lot. Okay, should I let it run or maybe close it? Let's look at the 1 minute. I think we should let it run, see what happens. Maybe close it at the 20 pips. So there are 0 viewers on YouTube this live stream. Yeah, anyway. So if you're watching this after the live stream ended, you will have some lessons to learn, and the reason why I took the trade. I didn't take the trade when it broke the low here or the last 15 minutes, because the topic was not really an ideal one for me. Yeah, that is the reason. And now if we look at these 15 minutes candle, we do have like 1, 2 and 3 large 15 minutes candle. So there is a possibility that we get a retracement kind of thing, kind of like retest or whatever you want to call it, and then maybe push down or maybe push up to clear that move. But anyway, that's what it is, or how it is. It feels kind of good to be in a risk-free trade. Let's see what happens on the 1 minute. We have created a bullish engulfing candle, but yeah, but because this is a 1 minute, anything can happen. Up till now on 1 minute we were creating like lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs. So still looks good on 1 minute, but it can change any minute. So the 5 minute candle closed with the kind of like a weak, really weak bearish. I'm going to move it down here. (15-minute) has turned bullish. By the way, the Frankfurt market is open now. So yeah, maybe we will see some kind of volume here. Let's look at pound dollar yen. So dollar yen looks good, man. The last 30-minute candle closed above it, but yeah, already took a trade, so I'm not taking this trade, although this is like can be 24 pips, but we do have kind of like a resistive areas on the left, so not good. Gold is trying to move down, but yeah, of course it is finding it difficult to do so. We do have this bullish engulfing candle here, and now that it is breaking that high, we can say that now the trend is kind of reversing on 1 minute. And it looks like we are getting another bullish engulfing candle. If it happens, I'm going to close the position. Okay, so I just closed my last open position, and yeah, that was a good trade today. Made about 0.5% on my account, not bad. Now let's just go back and analyze this trade again. So we are on here on 15 minutes on gold. So that was this level here, 1927.16 was 30 minutes. If I just want to call it a level, this was a level, or if you want to call it sport, that's okay. So we were seeing kind of like rejection here above this, which means that there was a less bullish volume or bullish momentum. So when the next candle like here, it kind of like break this level here, which is a 5-minute level here, this one. So when it just broke this level, and it closed below this 30-minute support area or this level here down here, and it does have a smaller wick, not really considerable wick, but a small wick. And by the way, this is the first 15-minute candle of a 30-minute. The next 15-minute candle did wick up, not really to the level the level that it broke. So yeah, it did wick up and then broke its low, the previous 15-minute candle low, and then moved down. Now I didn't take the trade when it broke the low of the previous 15-minute candle, because I didn't feel like taking a trade because of this small wick. If it had like a larger wick, like testing this level, maybe and touching this level, or maybe just the 50% of the previous candle and then broke the low, I would have taken the trade on the break of this low of the previous 15-minute candle, but it didn't do so. So what happened here is that on 5 minute, let's say, yeah, on 1 minute, when I saw this bullish candle and then I saw this kind of like a support created, it is just like that level where the previous support was. So resistance created when it kind of formed a bearish candle and then a bearish engulfing candle. So I took a trade after that based on the 1 minute, and then price keep moving up and down, and then the last 30-minute candle or the 1 hour candle, it closed without a bottom wick. So that was also the 4-hour candle. So 4-hour candle closed without a bottom wick, 1 hour candle closed without a bottom wick, and 30 minutes, and so the 15 minutes. So that was kind of like a risky trade to let the trade go. So I closed 90% of my position, and and then decided what to do with the rest of the position. So based on the 1 minute, we were seeing like lower lows and lower highs, but after this bullish candle, we are now kind of like breaking the trend of lower lows and lower highs. So that is why I closed the position. So yeah, that was today's trade. And guys, so if you are watching this after and definitely you are watching this after the live stream ended, so I usually come like 1.5 hours or maybe 2 hours before London Open, and do a live session on this gold, pound yen, dollar yen, and pound gold, pound dollar. So if you are interested in that, do come for the live streams. It will be it will be great. Okay, so take care, and yeah, goodbye.